What this course covers, sections 1 through 3. Welcome to the Financial Statement Analysis course with AI and Excel. This course teaches you to read financial statements the way working analysts do. You will learn how equity analysts, credit analysts, M&A professionals, and PE investors use the same three statements to answer completely different questions. What this course covers, sections 1 through 3. The course spans 23 lessons across 69 learning modules in 7 sections. After every lesson, you complete a quiz built around a real analyst situation. In Section 1, How Investment Analysts Read Financial Statements, you will learn how different analyst roles read the same statements with different priorities. You will connect financial statement analysis to valuation multiples, DCF inputs, credit risk filters, and investment conclusions. You will decode 10K reports faster using AI, extracting risk factors and footnotes in a fraction of the time. In Section 2, you will decode the income statement like an analyst. You will read the full cascade from revenue through gross profit, EBITDA, and net income, understanding what each layer reveals. You will assess revenue quality, analyze cost structure and operating leverage, and normalize earnings for valuation use. In Section 3, you will interpret the balance sheet as a business analyst. You will separate operating assets from non-operating assets, identify debt-like and cash-like items, and assess liquidity, working capital, net debt, and capital structure. You will connect these readings directly to enterprise value construction and M&A analysis. What this course covers, sections 4 through 7. In Section 4, Cash Flow Analysis and FCF Construction, you will reconcile net income to operating cash flow and build free cash flow from operating cash flow and CapEx. You will read CFO, CFI, and CFF patterns to assess whether a business is growing, maturing, or under financial stress. In Section 5, Applied Financial Analysis with Excel and AI, you will build financial analysis across growth, margins, liquidity, efficiency, and free cash flow in Excel. You will use AI to clean Yahoo Finance data into model-ready tables and compare Microsoft and Apple using AI-assisted ratio and trend analysis. In Section 6, the tools that set analysts apart, you will apply industry-specific frameworks across 8 sectors including technology, SaaS, banking, pharmaceuticals, and more. You will work through a structured AI prompt library covering extraction, normalization, red flags, and analyst commentary. In Section 7, AI Simulation and Excel Execution, you will complete a NVIDIA financial statement ratio model using Excel and verified SEC filing inputs. You will also enter the Financial Statement Deal Analysis Lab and defend your judgment across 10 progressive acquisition scenarios. Quizzes and applied tasks. Throughout, after every lesson, quizzes test your ability to apply concepts, not just recall definitions. Applied tasks using 10K filings, Yahoo Finance data, Excel models, and AI prompts convert each section into analyst-grade output. The AI simulations, where knowledge becomes field capability. After completing all 7 sections, you will enter 2 practice modules that test whether you can apply what you have learned under professional pressure. In the Financial Statement Deal Analysis Lab, you will act as corporate development lead at Apex Industrial Software, evaluating SignalWorks Analytics as a potential acquisition target. SignalWorks claims 35% revenue CAGR, but the cash conversion story does not match the headline growth. You will test whether that revenue is real, recurring, and cash-backed. You will separate SaaS, hardware, and services revenue quality, normalize EBITDA instead of accepting the seller's adjusted figures, and classify fixed and variable costs to assess operating leverage. You will evaluate OCF, CapEx, free cash flow, net debt, ROIC, and valuation multiples. The simulation ends with a judgment. Does this deal deserve a premium, a renegotiation, or a walkaway? At each of the 10 scenario steps, you submit your response and receive instant AI scoring across theoretical accuracy, deal relevance, and decision quality. In the NVIDIA FS ratio modeling task, you will act as a junior analyst building a one-sheet financial model using NVIDIA's actual annual filing. You will calculate growth rates, margins, EBITDA, liquidity, leverage, efficiency, cash conversion, and free cash flow, verifying every figure against the source. You will close by writing short analyst commentary on whether NVIDIA's financials support its current valuation. This is the exact workflow analysts run on any public company before presenting to a portfolio manager or deal team. What you will walk away with. When you complete this course, you will have the skills to analyze any public company's financial statements immediately. You will read 10K filings faster, knowing exactly which sections matter for equity research, credit, M&A, or corporate strategy. You will run ratio analysis, DuPont decomposition, and valuation multiple benchmarking on real company data. You will test revenue quality, identify earnings red flags, normalize EBITDA, and assess whether reported profit reflects real economic performance. You will use AI as a genuine analytical accelerator with a 21-prompt library while keeping every judgment and verification with you. Bro. You will leave with 3 professional templates. The Microsoft Financial Analysis Excel model covers 9 analytical sheets across growth, safety, activity, profitability, and valuation. The industry-specific FS Analysis Framework covers 8 sectors. The AI Prompt Playbook contains 21 verified prompts for financial statement work. The simulations will have tested your judgment under realistic acquisition pressure. The 100 quizzes will have confirmed that your understanding is deep enough to apply in the field. The 9 applied tasks will have produced real outputs from real filings. This is not a course that ends when the last lesson is complete. It is a course that changes how you read a financial statement for the rest of your career. By the end, you will analyze any filing, identify what matters, and explain your conclusions with the discipline of a working analyst. One, how financial statements drive investment decisions. Beyond the numbers. Financial statements are the starting point for almost every major investment decision. Whether you are valuing a stock, evaluating an acquisition target, or assessing a borrower, the answer always begins with 3 documents. Those 3 documents. Part 2. Where FS connects to valuation. Financial statement analysis connects to Part 3. AI in financial analysis.